What up, YouTube? TX1 here. Got a 2-package mail day. One from Hockey Jaw Paul on blog. I'm not sure if he has YouTube or not. I think he does. And then one from Ripmaster, something or other on the blog. And then it's like Johan571 or something on YouTube. Yeah, I got those 2 packages. From Hockey Jaw, I got 2 Matt Forte rookies. That's cool. 1, 2 from Chrome. So that's pretty sweet. And then from Ripmaster, we got some giant stuff. We got a Ryan Garko Upper Deck Signature Stars base. These are all the same things. Aaron Merlin from that. Then Pablo Sandoval from that. And then a Tim Lincecum from that. And then we got a Ryan Garko jersey card from 09 Sweet Spot. So that card is from when he was on the Giants. Just in case you're wondering. And the last card is pretty sweet. Rookie auto of Eugenio Velez. So there's that. That's all I got today. Go sub to Paul, Hockey Jaw, and go sub to Ripmaster and Rohan571. Alright, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Later.